guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to give you the final look at the Christmas mini albums using the Winterland collection by Minty. And this was a live class. So once a month I have a live class with my YouTube channel members, part of the online classroom. So if you guys would like to join along the fun, make sure to become a member. And also when you join, you can watch all the previous live classes, and they always stay recorded in case you can make it. So yeah, so lots and lots of videos that are already there, but today I'm just gonna do a quick walkthrough, and also I will be adding this book here to my website. So if you're interested, I'm gonna have the link down below so you can purchase the mini album. And so yeah, so the book measures 8 by 8 and it has a 1.5 inch spine. And like I mentioned, I'm using the Winterland collection by Minty. I'm also using some glitter red cardstock, some beautiful red flowers. These flowers are by Little Birdie Flowers, and so yeah, and then this magic little wooden piece here was from my stash. And so yeah, so I wanted to keep these very flat, but some, you know, add a little detail there. And then this is the back. So now when we open this up, this is a double folio style book. I did do a video decorating this book, so I'm gonna have that link below. I think it's the video I posted right before this video. And so yeah, so we just went ahead and decorated, added paper to the pages, and then also I show you how I create these pockets here, like slit pockets within the page. And so yeah, so over on this side I just went ahead and added some more of the red cardstock here, part of the paper, because I wanted to bring in some of the red on this page too, since we have a little bit of red here and red there. So this is just placed for a picture. So when you open this up, we have the beautiful design paper, same thing over here. And then over on this side we have a 4x6 waterfall, so you can put 4x6 pictures over on this side. And then on the center, again, place for a picture, but this also opens up, and I'm using that red shimmery glitter paper, not glitter but like shimmer. I don't know if you can even see it on the video. And then over here again, beautiful design paper, but you can put a little picture on the side, and then the red cardstock. And then this over here opens up like that, so we have two accordion fold sections there, and then just a place here at the center for a large picture. And then also using this design on the paper, you can actually put little pictures inside each one of the crates here. I think that will make a really cute scrapbook layout page. And then this all closes and closes. And then over on the other side, as I did on the decorating video, I went ahead and created this slit pocket here. And I love this idea because you can use the paper, I mean not cover the paper, but still use the page on a very practical manner. You can still add a picture here or in the back, or do some journaling there as well. So I just love these little hidden pockets within the page. Then this opens up like that here. Again, beautiful paper, but you can add pictures. And then same thing here, I did some paper piecing, and so I went ahead and use that paper piece, take advantage of that, and just glue one of the papers as a pocket, so this whole side was left open here. And then we have some of the 4x3 cards that you can use to add pictures on the back, and you can even tag more pictures there. So I did not do that on this side as well, because here's where I have the magnets, so I want to make sure that I don't compromise on the magnets, but here on the back it's okay to do. And then on the center here I did again that slit pocket, because I knew I wasn't going to, or whoever gets this book, you're not going to want to put a picture on top of the design paper, but you can always add a picture on here or the back, and just kind of add these onto your page like that. And then this over here is an accordion fold, so this opens up and up. It opens multiple times, but just one by one here this opens, and then you can add a picture over here. You can add a little journaling tag on the side, and then same thing over here. This opens up like that. Then this opens down, and then here we have that flap, and then it opens again, and then we have this flap here and places for pictures or journaling, and then this opens again here, and then on the back we have a double corner pockets, and then some little areas for pictures or journaling there again. And then I just use a large design from the collection to create this really large photo area there, and then of course you can add a picture on the back there as well. So that is going to be this Christmas double folio style book using the Winterland collection by Mentai. I hope you guys like it. Again, enjoying the live classes, always so much fun. You can always watch the replay if you can make it, and also you can kind of join along and watch all the previous classes as well. And your support means a lot to me, so I want to thank you so much already, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.